Hello, YouTubers, and welcome to episode 7 Let's Show on the Kreezel channel, otherwise known as Adventures in Casual Gaming. Today I come to you with a program that I've created called masscopy, which allows you to copy all of the files in one directory to any other directory. And what it does is, well, if you specify it with no arguments, it'll tell you the arguments. And if you specify dash F, it'll overwrite files without prompting you. And what you do is you specify source directory and destination directory. If the file does exist, it will ask you if you would like to write it. And if the directory does not exist, it will in fact create that for you. Okay, so I'm on a computer here. I'm at the disk. Let's look at the computer, cd slash ls, and see it is empty. So I can go to the disk and type mass copy, and you can use the little shorthand things, dot and slash like this, and you hit enter, and zippity doo dah, there it goes, it's gone. I see I have a slight possible issue in how things are being formatted on the output right here, but I'll correct that by the time you actually download this. But you see, that's nothing, right? That's just text on a screen. So let's verify the disk. There we go. Let's look at the slash, i.e. the root, and let's verify that. Okay, boom. See, it's there. Okay, and let's say I wanted to copy everything in the disk into a special folder. We'll call it special. So I can do mass copy slash disk to special. And it'll create the special folder. Okay, maybe it's not a bug, but okay. And there we go. If I cd to the special folder, all those files on the disk will be in there. That is easy, right? Okay, so let's go back up, and let's say you know you've decided you need to update all that stuff again. So you would do that, and then of course it's going to ask you, do you want to overwrite or not? And I'm just going to say no and power through it. That way you can selectively overwrite things as you see fit. But if you know that you need to update all that stuff, just go ahead and specify dash F as the last parameter, like this, and it'll delete those files and then it'll recopy them, which is that's what it does. So, of course, you can probably see from the demonstration that I can do a few little tweaks to this that'll make this better. But for now, I think this is a great tool, and I hope all of you guys enjoy it. Feel free to make suggestions in the comments below or say anything you would like. Okay, this is Kreezel over and out. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.